The massive drone display over Shenzhen during China's National Day celebrations was a breathtaking spectacle that captivated audiences worldwide. A fleet of 10,200 drones lit up the night sky, creating a cyber fireworks show that earned drone light show company Dosto 2 Guinness World Records titles. Despite facing challenges like strong winds and heavy ionospheric interference, Dosto's top-tier technology and years of flying experience allowed them to successfully launch every drone. The company's drone clustering tech pushed the limits of communication systems and computing power, showcasing their cutting-edge virtualization technology. This achievement highlighted Dosto's expertise in pushing technological boundaries and their commitment to innovation. Their drone light shows have been a regular feature at the CCTV Spring Festival Gala for 5 years straight, captivating audiences both at home and abroad. Dosto's success has earned global recognition, showcasing China's tech prowess at international events like the Dubai Expo. As the company continues to grow, they are not just breaking records but shattering them. From their early milestone of flying 3,051 drones simultaneously to now flying over 10,000, every record marks a major leap in tech development. Looking ahead, Dosto plans to continue pushing forward, focusing on safety, automation, intelligence, and networking. They aim to build a new foundation for drone performances, making light shows even more spectacular and simple, while exploring new ways to use drone formations across industries.